Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Chrysler Pacifica, full guide. Start by enabling Bluetooth on both the Pacifica and your phone and set the head unit to pairing mode. If you prefer wired, plug in a high-quality USB cable and allow CarPlay or Android Auto access. Keep phones unlocked during setup and approve any prompts. I'll walk through common errors and quick fixes to get audio, calls, and navigation working smoothly. Bluetooth pairing is simple and fast when you follow a few steps. Put the Uconnect system into pairing mode from the Settings menu, then find the Pacifica in your phone's Bluetooth list. Match the PIN on both screens, accept connection requests, and enable contact and media permissions. If connection fails, restart Bluetooth on your phone and the vehicle, or clear old device entries from the head unit to retry. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals and in-car guides with its glare-free screen and long battery life. I use it to keep reference material handy on road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals, then we'll jump back to the setup steps. Now let's get back to the video. Wiring up CarPlay or Android Auto gives the best experience for navigation and apps. Use a certified cable and plug into the USB port labeled for phones, then accept on-screen prompts on both phone and head unit. For wireless setups, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone and follow the vehicle's pairing flow. Finally, grant required permissions for messages, contacts, and location to ensure everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.